BE in PS College of Engineering, Mandya, in a stream of mechanical engineering. After I did my engineering, I plan to join IT companies, but unfortunately I'm from non-IT background. I don't know any much knowledge about IT stuff. So to learn all those skills and all, I joined Jspider Rajajinagar. Once I joined Jspider Rajajinagar, I'm like initial stage, so I didn't get anything. I didn't know anything as well. Once I joined Jspiders, the lecturers, the trainers, HRs, and the whole team of Rajajinagar helped me a lot. So the trainers are teachers like from the scratch to the professional level as well. So if you want to learn IT skills, and if you want to go to join IT companies, don't go to look for a job. Job only look for you. Join Rajajinagar J Spiders. Thank you.